In this video, we will share a tour plan to the three most popular locations of Northeast India: Kaziranga, Shillong and Cherrapunji or Sora. Among them, Kaziranga is a national park famous for Indian one-horned rhinos. Shillong and Sora are two picturesque hill stations that are mostly known for scenic beauty and numerous gushing waterfalls. So stay with us till the end of the video and visit the places digitally before you plan your tour here. Day 1. On day 1 of our tour, we went to Kaziranga from Guwahati International Airport by car. It was almost 4 to 5 hours long journey and the time depends on the traffic condition of the road. So try to reach Guwahati Airport in case you are travelling by flight or Guwahati railway station in case you are travelling by train early in the morning, so that you can avail the Kaziranga National Park safari in the afternoon and will not lose a day. We reached the airport at around 7 am and started for Kaziranga at around 8 am and reached there at 12:45 pm. In the afternoon at 3:30 pm, we went for a jeep safari in Kaziranga National Park. We opted for a jeep safari and paid Rs 2,800 for this trip. 4 to 6 persons are allowed in a jeep. Right now, the park is divided into 5 ranges, and among these 5, the western range is comparatively small in area but is most densely populated with rhinos. We went for a jeep safari in this range. The total safari takes almost 2 hours. We observed a large number of rhinos, many small and large water bodies and rivers, many elephants and barking deer here. At the end of this trip, we stopped at Donga Watchtower and enjoy a great view of surroundings from there. Day 2. On the second day, early in the morning, we started our journey towards Shillong. On the route, we stopped for a while at Kaziranga Tea Garden and spent some time there. The road to Shillong from Kaziranga moves through the Himalayan mountains covered with fresh green trees, and the journey is a refreshing one. On this route, there is a very clean and well-decorated vegetarian restaurant, Jiva Veg. You can enjoy your lunch at this place. The food here is also excellent. Please remember that Shillong city is famous for the traffic jam. So keep ample time in your hand to avoid any delay. After entering the city, first visit Badapani or Umiam Lake at the entrance of Shillong. You have to cross a bridge over Umiam Lake to enter into the main Shillong city. You can get the most stunning view of the entire lake from the middle of this bridge. Try to stop here for a while and enjoy the beautiful view of this lake. Umiam Lake is surrounded by East Khashi Hills and is a huge reservoir built to generate hydroelectric power for the city. There is a well-manicured park area adjacent to this lake. The ticket fare to enter the park is Rs 20 per person. You can enjoy boating here. After visiting Umiam Lake, go to visit the Don Bosco Museum. The ticket price here is Rs 100 for Indian tourists and Rs 150 for foreigners. This museum is Asia's largest museum dedicated to displaying Northeast Indian tribal life and culture. There is a skywalk on the 7th floor of this museum, from where you can get a beautiful view of the entire Shillong city. Day 3. On the third day, go for a local sightseeing tour around Shillong city. You can book a cab for this trip. The reserved cab fare will be around Rs 2,500 for this trip. First, go to visit Shillong Peak, the highest point of the town. The main road to the Shillong peak passes through the base of the Indian Air Force, and that's why you have to collect a permit from the military personnel to enter into the region. The ticket price to go to the watchtower of Shillong peak is Rs 10 per head. From the watchtower, you will get a stunning view of the entire Shillong city. You can also click a photo of yours wearing local clothes at this place. Next, go to visit Lady Hyderabad Park. It is a Japanese-style garden named after the first lady of the state and the wife of Governor of Assam, Lady Hyderabad. Next, go to visit Wards Lake. It is another man-made lake inside Shillong city. The ticket price here is Rs 10 per head. The lake is open all days of the week except Tuesday. You can enjoy a boat ride in this lake which charges extra. Day 4. On the 4th day morning, go to visit Cherrapunji or Sora. Currently, this hilly village of the Indian state Meghalaya is termed its original name since the place receives the highest amount of rainfall in the world. You can see some remarkable waterfalls in this region. First, visit Elephant Falls, one of the most famous waterfalls in Shillong. It is named so because of the big elephant-shaped rock once that was there beside the falls, which are now ruined due to natural calamity. The entry fee to this falls area is Rs 10 per head. It is a 3-layered waterfalls. The first layer is the widest. Spend some time here. After Elephant Falls, stop at Mogdek Dempep Valley Viewpoint. From here, you can see the rolling green mountains surrounding the valleys. Next, visit another scenic waterfall, Wakaba Falls. From here, go to visit the most famous waterfalls of this region, the Seven Sister Waterfalls or the Mosmai Falls, where you can see 7 streams of waterfalls drop from 1033 feet high limestone cliffs of Khasi Hills. Next, visit Mosmai Cave. This is a famous cave maze of Meghalaya filled with natural limestone structures. The entry fee here is Rs 20 per head. Day 5. On day 5, head back to Guwahati Airport for departure. In all the above 3 places, you will find ample options for night stay, and a typical mid-range hotel will charge around Rs 2000 per day. Food will cost around Rs 500 per day per head. If you are a food lover, then do taste the local Khasi food, Jado. It is a dish prepared with rice and meat. In Shillong, we found that people use pork in most cases, but chicken and fish items are also available here. The reserved cab fare for a sightseeing tour will cost between Rs 2500 to Rs 3000 per day. For the total package cost, please check the description box below. If you love this tour plan, then please like and share the video. Also, do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Your opinion means a lot to us. Thanks for watching it.